Yo, if you've ever wanted to use motion graphics in your videos just like the big creators without touching After Effects or any complex software, this video is made for you. All you gotta do is open Chrome and search for Auto AE. Click the first website that comes up, sign up, and boom, you're ready to create animations in just a few clicks. Once you're inside, hit Create Animation, and here's the fun part. You can generate any animation exactly the way you want. And if that feels a bit tricky, don't worry. You can use their ready-made templates. This website literally gives you thousands of free templates to choose from. Plus, the customization options are insane. You can tweak colors, text, effects, basically everything to match your vision. Found something you like? Click it, go to Customization, replace the text, hit Generate, and just like that, your motion graphic video is ready to download and use in your projects. I said it, no After Effects, no complex software, no headache, just fast, clean, professional animations in minutes. And of course, don't forget to experiment with all the templates and styles. This is your playground. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip from me. Always check trending styles in the template library, combine them with your own text and ideas, and you'll start making content that actually looks next level. That's it for today. If you loved this hack, smash that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which animation you created first.